Explore the countryside and nature trails with the Nakto Ranger electric mountain bike. This e-bike features a stylish hardtail mountain bike frame with a max loading capacity of 110 kilograms and a high-speed 36 volts 350 watt hub motor capable of topping a speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Paired with a 10 amp hour battery, the Ranger can run a maximum range of 28 miles in a single charge with up to 1,000 battery life cycles, making it reliable for several years of usage. The Nakto Ranger also features a front fork suspension, front and rear disc brakes, and a pair of wheels with 26-inch CST Jackrabbit tires and aluminum rims, packing it with all the right equipment for taking on mountainous challenges. To save up battery power, the Ranger also comes with a set of 6-speed Shimano tourney derailleur systems, allowing you to use it like a regular bike, which still packs a punch, even without the help of its battery and motor. To illuminate dark areas while traveling at night, it has a handy integrated front LED light ensuring your safety even at nighttime. With all its features at hand, be it a short trip to the grocery store or going out on an adventure in the mountains, the Nakto Ranger is proven to be more than capable of taking you whichever place you want to go.
Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.